Okay. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night. What up, YouTube? Got this package in the mail. Actually got two packages in the mail. So you know what that is. Unboxing event. Yeah, just a quick look over of my cars. The E-Max, the Low C Triple X, SCT, the kyosho. Sorry I ain't got my light on. The Traxxas Mini Rally. The Traxxas the 4-block or whatever the hell you want to call it from Traxxas. We got the Low C Mini T. We got another body over there. Got the Rustler. Got the Mugen MBX4. Got my RC Racer Drift Nitro. Got my RC Racer Electric. Over there is my bad boy. Can anybody guess what that is? The RC 8.2E. And the other one is the Offner Venom and the Mugen MBX6. Oh, I almost forgot about that bad boy. You already know what that is. The Traxxas X01. Alright, back to this. Video might be a little short because I only got 3 minutes to make a vid, but in that time I'm gonna pause this and come right back at you. Alright, YouTube, I got the box back open. I got about a minute and 17 seconds to go, and with that being said, I'm gonna break out this little bad boy here. Boom. The kyosho Mini. Yes, I said the kyosho Mini. Fresh. What was the price on this bad boy? No lie. $30 and $5 on shipping, so $35 altogether. Tires on this bad boy, everything. Servo already in there. Drivers ready to go. Battery holders on deck. Front looking good. Rear looking good. Tires, I'm loving it because my last ones didn't come with tires, so definitely loving this. I'm just loving this vehicle all the way around. Pretty nice little bugger. And this is about to be over, so shout out, subscribe, and holler back at me, YouTube.